Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Rinse 1 cup green gram under cold water and discard any stones. Once rinsed, submerge the beans in 3 cups water and soak 3-4 hours or overnight if you prefer softer texture. This reduces cooking time and improves digestibility. While the gram soaks, chop 1 small onion, 1 tomato, and 1 green chili, and roughly chop herbs like cilantro. You're preparing both texture and flavor in parallel. This saves time and ensures ingredients are ready as soon as the gram is drained. You drain the soaked green gram and transfer it to a saucepan with fresh water. Bring to a simmer and cook 12-15 minutes until just tender but not mushy. Once done, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan and temper mustard seeds, cumin, a curry leaf, and 1/4 tsp turmeric to build aroma. Add chopped onion and sauté briefly to soften. Make sure to combine cooked gram with the sautéed base, then fold in tomato, lemon juice, and salt to taste for balanced acidity and seasoning. You finish by letting the cooked mixture cool slightly so flavors meld. Toss in chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and adjust salt. Once combined, add crunchy cucumber or grated carrot and optionally 1 tablespoon plain yogurt for creaminess and body. Serve warm or chilled. The salad holds well for several hours. If the texture is too firm, briefly reheat with a splash of water. If flavors taste flat or bitter, make sure to rinse thoroughly and balance with extra lemon or a small pinch of sugar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.